Welcome everyone. Welcome to Rediscovering Inner Universe. In this video, I'm going to tell you about energy healing. Yes, you must have heard about energy healing, right? We will know about energy healing. How does it work? What is the scientific reason behind it? And how it can help us in our everyday life. And also, we will know about different energy healing modalities. Now, I'm going to take you through basic school level science to understand the energy healing. Everything is energy. You must have heard this many times, right? This statement is supported by the unified field theory. Many scientists, including Einstein, also worked on it. If we cannot see something through our human eyes, that doesn't mean that thing never exists, right? Because the visible spectrum of human eye is less than 1%. There are vast entities present there, which is beyond the five sense perceptions of human being. One of my favorite scientists, Nikola Tesla, once said, if you want to understand the universe, think in terms of energy, frequency, and vibration. What is the basic unit of everything, of a living or non-living object? Atoms, right? If we take a stone or if we take our human body part, if we put it under the microscope, what will be the smallest unit of it which we can see through microscope? That's an atom. Then atoms are again subdivided in subatomic particles like electrons, protons, neutrons. If we see a human body, it consists of hydrogen, nitrogen, oxygen, carbon, calcium atoms, right? So if it is a living object or a non-living object, if we see at the atomic level, we all are same. We all are atoms. Now here you can see the similarities among the atoms, the solar system and the DNA. The structure looks the same, the pathways look the same, even the pathways that created a geometric pattern, that also looks similar. Do you know any solid object consists only 1% matter? Yes, 99.99% are empty space. Then what is it there in that empty space? Energy, or you can say the electromagnetic energy. You know, even the human body is also a reservoir of different energies, may it be kinetic energy, thermal energy, electric energy, magnetic energy, sound and light energy. Now everything in this universe are at a state of vibration, and atoms are constantly moving, and depending upon the speed, things can appear as solid, gas or liquid. You know, even sound and thought are also vibration. So whenever any object is moving, it creates vibration, and where there is vibration, there is frequency. Though it is inaudible, but all frequencies make sound, and all sound can resonate and affect one another. Can you relate the vibrational pattern in nature and as well as in the human body? We can see vibrational pattern on water, on sand dunes, and also in brain cells. Doesn't it look like that we have our own vibrational imprints in the form of fingerprints? Now comes the cymatics. The signs of visible sound wave vibrations are called cymatics. A German physicist Chladni first noticed this phenomena, and later a Swiss natural scientist carried a lot of experiment with cymatics. Here in this picture we can see a real turtle, and these are its vibrational imprints created in laboratory through some experiment where similar frequency of the turtle is created in a plate, and this pattern is found, which is similar to the turtle shells pattern. Isn't it amazing? That means we also have our vibrational imprints in our body, as I showed you before, as the fingerprints. You know, the sacred geometry is the basic building blocks of the universe. Yes, if you observe our nature, you will be able to relate it in fractals, recurring patterns, and ratios. If we take the example of the seed of life, when you continue to rotate the shape, a toroidal sphere will form. Isn't it amazing how intricately the universe is designed through geometry? Nassim Haramein has spent more than 30 years in his research, and he connected all the dots that how everything is connected, how we all are living in an unified field. Can you see the presence of sacred geometry in different scales? In the cosmic level, the universal level, and in the cellular level. A toroidal energy field is a field that exists around any object. It can be a living or non living thing, even around the universe as well. Even our human body has also a toroidal field. It is also known as the aura. And you must have heard about Kirlian photography and how aura can be photographed, and how aura can help you to understand if there is any disease in the body, or if there is a chance of any disease occurring in the body in near future. And we can see aura of not only human being but also any non-living object as well. If we observe the nature minutely, numerous similarities is observed in the nature, and the vibration is the reason that creates pattern in nature, starting from a human cell to the patterns in the leaves, petals, then oceans, even the galaxies. Everything has a certain similarities. You must have learnt about Fibonacci sequence in your school days, right? The Fibonacci sequence also appear in nature in biological settings, such as the number of petals and their arrangement, the arrangements of leaf on a stem, the fruitlet of pineapple, branching in trees, uncurling fern, arrangement of pine cones, and in a lot of things that we can see. And you know, two consecutive Fibonacci numbers approaches the golden ratio, which is sometimes called as the divine proportion, and it is found in almost each and everything, even in human being, in nature, in plants, animals, everywhere you can see the patterns. Can you see the similarities here? These are called fractals. Fractals are self-stimulating. They repeats itself infinitely over different scales of reality. We can see the similarities in the branching patterns of trees, even in the lightning, in the brain cells, the nerve cells, the veins inside the body, in meanders, and whatnot. The most amazing is the brain cell and the universe. The brain cells resembles a minute version of our universe. Who knows, maybe we human beings are residing inside the brain of a giant being? Amazing, no? Here are some more examples of fractals. The branches of the tree is similar to the lightning, then the meanders, then the veins in leaves and veins in the human body. Even there are similarities in the cracks and also in the branching pattern in the lungs. Spiral is another example of the fractals, and it is also seen in nature, in the human body, in plants, animals, everywhere. Unified. The term itself is self-explanatory, right? Energy pervades everywhere, in and out. Astrophysicist Neil deGrasse Tyson rightly said, we all are connected. So till now, whatever we have seen, starting from the atoms, so all object at the atomic level vibrates and it has a frequency. And because of this vibration, we can see the patterns in nature and human body. Through the sacred geometry, through Fibonacci sequence, through fractals, we can relate that everything animate, inanimate in this universe are vibrating at a certain frequency. And this vibration is caused because of the energy present in that atoms. So, in a word, everything is energy. Then a phenomenon called entrainment tries to lock both the different frequencies in the same frequency. This is proven by the famous experiment of the pendulum clocks, when two pendulum clocks were mounted on the same wall, and when both the clocks' pendulums were swinging out of phase to each other, after a few days, it was found that both of them were swinging in synchronicity, in same pace and rhythm. How is that possible? Because of entrainment. Because when both of them were moving in different frequencies, because of entrainment, both the frequencies were locked into the same frequency. And this is how energy healing also works. I will explain it in detail. Now comes resonance. When there are multiple objects are there and all of them are vibrating at the same frequency, then altogether it will start vibrating at a higher amplitude. So when two things vibrates through resonance and entrainment, then two things can happen. Either the lower vibratory thing can raise its vibration, or the higher vibratory things can lower down its vibration, or they will meet in a middle level where both of their vibration will be similar. Next comes the quantum entanglement. Einstein called it spooky action at a distance. It's very interesting, when two things are entangled with each other, if you tease one thing, the other thing will instantaneously react, even if you keep them miles apart or galaxies apart. Yes, if you tease one object, the other will instantaneously react. This is the principle of energy healing, that energy flows where intention goes. So, wherever our intention is going, our energy will also flow there. Now, the energy healing works because of the laws of the universe. That is why it never fails. The eighth law, the law of perpetual transmutation of energy, is the reason for energy healing. According to Dr. David Hawkins' vibrational level chart, grief, fear, anxiety, anger, all these emotions carries low vibration, and peace, love, joy, enlightenment, all these emotions carry high vibration. A healer mostly carries high vibration, and when they heal their client, their high vibratory energy passes on to the client because of resonance, entrainment, and the intention, or we can say quantum entanglement acts here. Now, when a healing practitioner resonates the healing energy and they matches that vibration with their client, and all these things are not magic. These things are there since our ancient times because of the Gurukul system, where the knowledge was passed to the students through verbal dictum. All these techniques, all these amazing practices are now lost from our society. In our traditional system, these things are not taught. That is why till now many people in the society are skeptical about all these systems. Now let us see what all things we can do with energy healing. First of all, we can heal ourselves. We can heal our mental, physical, emotional aspect. We can heal any relationship problem. We can heal any financial problem. Anything can be healed using the energy healing technique. You can heal your near and dear ones, any of your family members, even if they are miles apart. Yes, you can do so. You can heal your pets. You can heal the plants of your house. You can heal your surrounding. Even you can send your healing love towards the universe, towards the world. You can also heal objects. That is very true. You can heal objects as well. Any electronic gadgets or anything, your vehicle, anything you can heal. You can heal places. Even you can heal situations. Energy healing changed my life. Along with me, it has changed the lives of many around me, all my family members. And I know people who does healing on systems, on software, so that they can work at their optimum level. And it happened. They do also get surprised, but they literally got result and they are amazed. This is not something that I'm just making up. This is true. Yes, you can actually heal anything with energy healing techniques. And the best visible result is in any pain. Whenever you get pain in any part of the body, instantaneously you can heal it and you can get rid of the pain. Energy healing does not merely subside the symptoms, but it works on the root cause. Its result is long term. I must say that one should learn at least one healing modalities once in their lifetime. It will transform their life. It will change their life completely. It will bring a lot of positivity. Your approach towards life will completely change. You will find so much peace and happiness in your life. There are different energy healing modalities: Reiki healing, pranic healing, crystal healing, quantum healing, qigong, sound healing, chakra healing. So many healing modalities are there. You can try out any one of them with whichever you feel connected to. You can just try them out. Even if there are different energy healing techniques, but the main goal or the main objective of all healing modalities are the same, that they help in the uninterrupted flow of energy inside the energy body and also speed up the body's natural healing system. So one must try some energy healing technique in their life and you will be amazed to see the result. I hope I could give you some valuable information. So thank you everyone. God bless you.